Most men were never taught how to be men. They were taught how to be mascots, performing strength they ain't own, flexing muscles over broken spirits, carrying money with hands that never learned how to carry a soul. You see, real masculinity isn't what you show the world, it's what you can hold without the world even noticing. It's presence over performance, governance over gestures, roots before reputation. Warning: this protocol will fracture the fake fatherhood you inherited. Side effects may include losing respect for men who only know how to perform, feeling the emotional fatigue of what you were never taught, but are still accountable for, and a violent, quiet hunger to lead without being seen. Let's work. You are not a man because you conquer women. You are not a man because you get paid. You are not a man because you stand taller or talk louder. You are a man if your presence codes a room without needing to announce it. You are a man if you can father a house, protect a lineage, nurture an emotional environment without weakening its foundation. I'm talking father, brother, friend, leader, protector, provider, system, anchor. Not one. All. The sealed masculine isn't a role. It's a system within a system, fully synchronized. Here's what you must be able to do. You must be able to read emotional atmospheres before reacting to them. Absorb fear without broadcasting it. Correct without crushing. Protect without posturing. Strength is not control. Strength is containment. If your presence doesn't build order, it isn't strength. It's spectacle. And the world already has too many men building nothing but the illusion of architecture. You see, every system, family, business, community, it will mirror the internal system of its leader. And men are leaders. A fractured man leads a fractured system. A reactive man builds a reactive environment. A man who governs himself silently codes security in every soul around him. Presence isn't passive, it's aggressive spiritual authorship without emotional leakage. It's building fortresses in the spirit before battles ever touched the ground. And as men, we battle, and we battle all the time. And since I know you want to win the war, I got you. You got the call. Now move like it's recorded.
Thank you for calling. You have reached us outside our normal business hours.
Let's start with an audit. Ask yourself, when your wife or kids are emotional, do you react louder or govern quieter? When you are disrespected at work, do you bark back or move the room by mastering yourself? And when nobody's watching, do you lead your routine like a king or collapse into comfort like a clown? And you hit them with the remix. Next time your child tests you, lead with stillness, not shouting. Next time you are overlooked, upgrade your output, not your outrage. Next time fear whispers, walk anyway. Silent authority is louder than loud anxiety. Then you want to re-record. Every day this week, walk into one room and shift the atmosphere without saying a word. Practice one silent decision a day that protects your house without posting about it. Build one habit that is seen only by God. No announcements, no applause. Masculinity is real, and this is real world cause and effect. If your son never heard your voice but felt your energy, would he still know how to be a man? If your daughter never heard you preach but watched you move, Would she still trust God's design for strength? If your wife never heard you say a word, but watched how you battled in silence, would she still feel safe? Masculinity is not a performance, it is a perimeter. And if you won't build it, the world will gladly hand your children a blueprint made from fear. So govern in silence, move in remembrance, leave kingdoms they'll never trace back to your name. Own it or be owned by it. You either run the system or the system runs you. Change your mind, change your life. I am who I say I am. Do you and stay rich.